Meta and Harvard just dropped an open source coding agent called the Confucius Code Agent, and it basically proves that the agent's scaffold can matter more than the model itself. Then Abu Dhabi's TII comes out of nowhere with Falcon H1R7B, a tiny 7B reasoning model with 256,000 context window that's outperforming models way bigger than it. And then DeepSeek updates the R1 paper with 60 extra pages, like it's some kind of secret technical dump, which has everyone thinking the next model release is right around the corner. So let's talk about it. All right, let's start with the Meta and Harvard thing. They introduced something called the Confucius Code Agent, or CCA, and it's built on top of a platform called the Confucius SDK. At first glance, that just sounds like another AI coding agent, right? Like a competitor to SWE, Agent, OpenHands, all the other projects that try to solve GitHub issues by running tests, editing files, and iterating. But Confucius is doing something much deeper. The key idea behind it is literally a shift in philosophy. They treat scaffolding as the main problem. And I know scaffolding sounds like a boring word, but it matters a lot. Most people still think an AI agent is basically a big model with a couple tools attached. Maybe it can execute commands, maybe it can edit files, maybe it can do search, and then you slap a wrapper around it and call it an agent. Confucius takes the exact opposite approach. They're basically saying, if you want an AI to survive in a real industrial codebase, across long debugging sessions, across dozens of files, across hundreds of actions, then the actual system around the model matters just as much as the model itself. And honestly, I agree with that.